Hello everybody. 1 year and a half ago, in February 2023, I have made 3 videos about how to overnight in the forest, winter forest, if you have only 2 kilo of equipment, yes? And now I start to think about that idea to make it even more interesting and to reduce weight till 1 kilo or 1 kilo and a half. And I've got that my handmade shelter from space blanket. And what I have found, that space blanket, after I've made that video, I just put in the dry and dark place in my garage, and it was there about 1 year and a half, and now I take it off. So what I see, that side, that stink with smoke and fire. So that some resin and heating from the smoke make that effect. Speaking about that reinforcement, as you see, it was reinforced with that tape, so it has the same very strong, but that material, yes, material broke. And the far from the heating, the better it is. Or maybe it's another kind of that material. Yeah. So, resume. If you use that space blanket, okay, you can use it 2-3 times, and after that it will be like a rubbish. So that's one time device. So that's all what I want to tell you. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.